Hello everyone, this is Nat from Serpwizz and we are back again with another tutorial/review video from our SEMRUSH series. So we have been doing a couple of basic videos about SEMRUSH for the past couple of days. So basically from the past videos we have made a trial account here in SEMRUSH so we can have an access to their tools, and we're currently we have done the SEO dashboard, the projects dashboard, as well as these two under competitive research, and today we'll be focusing on the organic research. So if you haven't seen all those videos yet, just to give you a preview, this is what the projects dashboard looks like, and you can see here we already have ongoing project that I've set up, and yep, let's go ahead and do organic research and see what this feature or tool is all about. So clicking on that will lead you to this page where you can see the tool itself. This is how it looks like, and organic research, SEMrush claims that it is something that you can use if you want to reach the top of the SERP. So what is SERP? It is the search engine. It's the search engine results page. So basically, if you want to rank, then this is the tool this is one of the tools that you need to use. And then you can also check what works best for your competitors using this tool. And here on the bottom part, as we scroll down, you're gonna see some information about the things you can expect from this tool, or what it can do, what are its purposes. For example, it lets you discover your competitors' best keywords and then use it to your advantage, or maybe tackle it a bit better so that you will rank better as well in the SERP, and as well as find your organic competitors. So you get a visual representation of your site and where it stands among other organic search players. And then you also can observe domain's position changes. So it's basically giving you an update on the changes in your positions or your rivals' positions in terms of domain, and find out which new keywords will help or have helped your competitors enter the Google or Bing top 20. And then let's go ahead and see exactly how the tool works. So I'm just going to be using Serpwizz's domain as usual. And then here, or maybe if you just want to try it for yourself, maybe you can use this domains or your own domain or your competitor's domain. And then here you can filter, or you can select the target country that you prefer. This one is set to India, but you can also go through all of these countries depending on your preference or your target country. So I'm just gonna set this to US and then hit search. So that's gonna bring you to another page where all of the results are immediately posted or populated. And if ever you change your mind and you would want to see other countries, for example, you can just click it over here. You can select from this drop down right there, and then change the device according to what you're using. You can also export this as a PDF file. And then here are the metrics as well as some visualizations below that. So it just helps you get a clear view of the trend and how these current metrics are performing. And here you have organic keywords trend. You have also notes here, and you can filter the time from years to months, or you can just select all time to display all of these or all of the data available for that. So here, these are notes, and then here are the top organic keywords, as well as their different the different numbers that corresponds to like position, volume, position difference, traffic percentage. So these are all helpful information that you can utilize in any of the content, or in any content that you are making, or if you are building a web page. So here you can also see the top position changes. It is an analyzed domain positions. An analyzed domain has in Google's top 100 organic search results and keywords. It is ranking 4. So if ever you're not quite sure of what these terms mean, you can always just hover on those words, and then a very simple explanation will populate and give you the exact information that you would need. So you can also, if you click on these, it will expand the results. And then here you get keywords by intent. So if you want it to be informational or navigational, commercial, transactional, you can hit this to get a full report of this specific portion. And you can also add your widget or suggest a widget that you would like to see here. So here it's the SERP features. So basically it is special results in Google search results that are triggered by the keywords an analyzed domain ranks for. So these are all linking to domain, and these are the ones not linking to domain. For the top pages, you get the list as well, and you can also see up to 60 pages for the specific one. Top subdomains are here as well. Main organic competitors. So these are the main organic competitors that you currently, or that Serpwizz currently has or have. Competitive positioning map. So what I like about SEMRUSH, what I've noticed, is the way they have incorporated all of these visualizations that will really give you a good look on how, because if it's just numbers, sometimes people do not prefer numbers. They prefer visualizations over numbers because it lets them see better, lets them have a better insight, or a wider insight about that specific trend they are looking for. So that's one great thing that I have noticed about how SEMrush incorporates, or how SEMrush displays the results that you want to get. So that is it for organic research. Basically, you can also select these ones. If you don't want to scroll down, you can always just select these ones to get the specific results that you want. But yeah, basically that's it. Very simple to use, but a very powerful feature that comes with signing up with an account here in SEMrush. So that's it for us today. Hopefully you guys found this review/tutorial helpful, and we'll be back again with more of these videos. So please stay tuned to all of those. Thank you so much for watching, guys.